Hey gang, how's everybody doing? Welcome back to another edition of Sweet Willy's Kitchen. So we're going to do a little product review, and folks at Topfeel sent me their 3-piece knife set. This set is it's going to give us an 8-inch chef knife, a 7-inch Santoku knife, and a 5-inch utility knife. I was very interested in these particular knives just because of the handle profile. Typically, amongst all the other knives that I use, one of my favorite is the good old-fashioned Wursthof Icon chef's knife. This is one of my favorites, and you're going to see a nice similarity to this, which is what really drew me to these. So when we open these up, again, they come in a really nice box. Everything's all wrapped up. We're going to start off the bat. We've got a full tang on this guy, and there is a 12-month warranty, 30 days money back, and there's information, any questions you have, there's information right here. I'll have a link down where you can get these. I believe this set is under $50, and from what I'm seeing here, we talked about keeping our knife collection relatively tight, not a lot of knives, and if there's a starter set, I think this might go down as one of the better ones out there. So again, what drew me to this, again, everything's all done here with your protective tip. What drew me to this was the handle. I like the full tang handle. It's a good 5-inch handle. It's got a good weight to it. Remember we talked about weights, some like heavy, some I typically like a heavier knife. I've used some of the other brands we've used were lighter, but this is right in that medium weight. It's about, compared to this guy, which is somewhat bigger, but as far as overall weight per square inch, it's right up there with it, okay? This is a little bigger handle, maybe a 1-inch longer knife. This is a 9-inch. This Wursthoff's a 9-inch. This is an 8-inch. So really, when you think for pound, it's right up there with the same weight, with a piece of equipment that's a lot more expensive than this piece. This is moderately priced, good value. It's got a nice edge to it, so we're going to put this to its paces. So this is the 8-inch chef knife. The next one we're going to go open up is the Santoku knife, which I dig. It's a good chopper for your vegetables and the like. The pattern you see here is a Damascus pattern. It's not a Damascus steel knife, so let's cool ourselves on that one. But again, good for chopping vegetables. You've got the indentations here to help keep the product slide off the knife. But again, good solid piece. And then the last is the utility knife. Okay, this little guy right here. And again, pound for pound, really, really, really nice for slicing. Boning, if you would, taking a steak off the bone. We'll do a little demonstration on them. We'll use the Santoku because I sort of like that. I'm going to do a little lunch today, so what I did was I grilled up some sausage, regular Italian sausage. I had my grill pan, put it in the grill pan for 20 minutes at 375, flipped it over, grilled it. Helps render out some of the fat. So we're just going to slice these down and put everything in the bowl. I'm going to just mix them up. Santoku does a good job. Again, I'm a big fan of the chef's knife because of the rocking edge that you get when you're going through it. We'll get some. See how we do the rocking edge here. All right. So again, this does a good job. And a couple comments about maintenance when we're doing this, okay? All right, we hand wash all our knives. We like to hand wash all our knives because in a dishwasher, the temperatures get really high and they start to adversely affect, no matter whose knife it is, adversely affect the handles and the connections. So that's the chef's knife, and we'll use the other paring knife with the utility knife. Slide through there, go through that. Okay, that's a really nice job. And remember, we keep on saying the safest knife is the sharp knife. Okay, so take care of your knives, they'll take care of you. And we want to make sure we're using the honing edge, the honing steel, okay? 5 on each side, 5 on each side, 4 on each side, 3, 3, 2, 1. You do that at least once a week, and that'll help ensure that everything stays very good. All right. Good. All right, so like I said, I've got some peppers. Let's do this onion here, all right? Let's do that. When chopping an onion, safest way to chop an onion, okay? We cut it keep it on the flat side, and then we're gonna cut through like so. All right. And that's the Santoku, does a good job. Let's see how the chef's knife works too. Good work. Chop. These knives. So, as I said, as far as a good overall set of knives, good. Again, comparatively weighted to a much more expensive knife. Good weight, good balance, full stainless steel, full tang, and when I say the tang, this is the metal from the blade goes all the way through to the handle, and then it's riveted, and we'll have the link at the bottom of where you can get this through Amazon. This is an Amazon seller. Like I said, good weight, all right? It's a good weight. Medium to heavier weight, which I really like. And you got the nice white handles. If you go to the Topfeel store, you'll be able to get these in not only the white handles, but you can also get them in the black handles. So whatever fits your aesthetic. They sent me the white ones. I thought they were pretty cool. I like them. Again, good sound, good solid piece of goods, good all-around knife set. And if you have any comments or questions, feel free to put them down. I'm gonna cook this up, gonna saute that in a little bit of olive oil to the peppers and the onions get a little soft. I'm gonna have this for lunch. So again, from my kitchen to yours, God bless you. You be well, stay safe out there, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.